Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome to the e-learning classes. I'm your science teacher. So let's start our today's work. Today we will do tick the correct statement and cross the wrong ones. It means जो सही स्टेटमेंट है उसमें टिक का साइन लगाना है और जो गलत स्टेटमेंट है उसमें क्रॉस का साइन लगाना है. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल राइट दिस इन योर साइंस फेयर कॉपी. ये काम आपको साइंस की फेयर कॉपी में करना है. सो टेक आउट योर कॉपीज एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट डाउन टुडेज डेट. टुडे इज 29th 5th 2020. On the next line write down CW, that is classwork, and underline it. On the next line you will write your lesson number. This is lesson 3, wild animals. Underline the heading of the lesson. On the next line you will write the exercise name. This is exercise C. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. Underline the heading of the exercise. इट मीन्स जो सही स्टेटमेंट है उसमें टिक का साइन लगाना है और जो गलत स्टेटमेंट है उसमें क्रॉस का साइन लगाना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर एक्सरसाइज. आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइनोसोरस and zebra live in forest. It means rhinoceros and zebra live in forest. Rhinoceros और zebra कहाँ रहते हैं? फॉरेस्ट में रहते हैं, जंगलों में रहते हैं. So, is it true or false? It is true. Rhinoceros and zebras lives in forest as they are wild animals. वो लोग कैसे animals हैं? Wild animals हैं. Wild animals कहाँ रहते हैं? जंगलों में रहते हैं. So, it is a true statement. So, we will put a correct sign here. Let's move to the second one. A bird makes a den on trees. A bird makes a den on trees. Birds den बनाते हैं trees में. So, is it true or false? Let's see. A bird makes a nest on trees. Birds क्या बनाते हैं? नेस्ट बनाते हैं, घोंसला बनाते हैं, डेन नहीं बनाते हैं। डेन कौन बनाता है? अ लॉयन मेक्स अ डेन। सो इट इज़ अ रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट। ये कैसा स्टेटमेंट है? गलत स्टेटमेंट है। सो वी विल पुट अ क्रॉस साइन हियर because it is a wrong statement. All right. A bird makes nest on a tree. यहाँ पे nest होना चाहिए। Den कौन बनाता है? Lion बनाता है। Number 3. All wild animals eat same kind of food. What does it means? It means that all wild animals, जितने भी wild animals हैं वो क्या करते हैं? Eat same kind of food. वो same kind means एक जैसा खाना खाते हैं. So it is correct. No, it is wrong, as there are different categories of animals which eat different things. Some are herbivores animals. कुछ animals herbivores होते हैं, like I'll show you. Deer, giraffe, zebra, these are plant eating animals, means herbivores animals. Lion, tiger, crocodile, these are flesh eating animals or carnivores animals. Bat, bear, cow, all these are omnivores animals which eat both plants and animals flesh. All right, so it is a wrong statement. So we will put a cross sign here because it is a wrong statement. Let's move to the fourth one. Crow and bear. Crow and bear eat both. This is EAT, eat. Both plants and other animals. It means crow and bear eats both plants and other animals. वो plants भी खाते हैं और other animals को भी खाते हैं. So is it true? It means they are omnivores animals because omnivores animals eat both plants and flesh of other animals. So is it true or false? It is true because they eat both plants and flesh of other animals. So we will put a tick mark here as it is a correct statement. Let's move to the fifth one. We should kill wild animals. It means we should kill wild animals. हमें wild animals को मारना चाहिए. ये सही चीज़ है? No, it is a wrong statement. We should not kill wild animals. हमें wild animals को मारना नहीं चाहिए. We should protect them, conserve them because they are very beneficial for us. वो हमारे लिए बहुत beneficial हैं. So we should not kill them. Nowadays people used to kill them and use their skin and other body parts for their purpose. So it is very harmful for our environment. We should not kill wild animals. हमें wild animals को kill नहीं करना चाहिए. Alright. So this is a wrong statement. So we will put a cross sign here. We should kill wild animals? No, we should not kill wild animals. Alright. So these are the 5 questions which we will do and take the correct statement. Alright. Rhinoceros, zebra lives in forest. It is true. A bird makes a den on trees. No, it is wrong. All wild animals eat same kind of food. No, they eat different kind of food. Crow, bear eat both plants and other animals. Yes, as they are omnivorous animals. We should kill wild animals. No, we should not kill wild animals. Alright. I hope things are clear to you. Now you just write down your today's homework. Learn exercise B of lesson 3. You have to learn exercise B of lesson 3. This is your exercise B. Fill in the blanks. You have to learn these 5 fill in the blanks. This is your homework. Alright. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.